Hey guys, really quickly, I want to show you how to add a typewriter effect to your text in DaVinci Resolve. So the first thing you want to do is you want to click on Effects in the top left corner. Then from there you want to click on Titles, and then drag the Text Plus option to your timeline. Click on your text and then click on Inspector. And now from here we're going to be adding two keyframes to our text. One from where the typewriter effect will end, and one where it's going to start. So what you need to do is drag your playhead to where you want the text effect to end, and then next to right on, you want to click on that little diamond. Next, you want to drag your playhead to where you want the effect to start, and then back at the right on option, you want to change the end value to 0. And now you've created your typewriter effect. And then obviously back in the inspector tool you can change what the text says, what you want the font to be, whether you want it in bold or italics, the color, the size, and all of that kind of stuff. If this video helped you, a like and subscribe would be greatly appreciated. And if you need more help with DaVinci Resolve, you can click on this playlist here to check out more tutorials from me.